By now, you of course know that YouTubers make money from their videos. You also know that they make their money based on the amount of views they get. And that's true, but it's a little bit more complicated. Let's go into details. Simply put, YouTubers make money through advertising. Whenever you watch a YouTube video, you most likely see ads, whether they are pre-roll ads, ads on the bottom of the video, or ads around the video. When you see those ads, both Google and the content creator get paid. Individuals and companies pay Google to display ads on YouTube videos. Some of that money goes to Google and some of it goes to the content creator. YouTubers do not have any control over the kind of ads that are displayed on and around their videos. They can only disable ads on their video, but barely anyone does that, as it's nothing short of missing out on a paycheck. Content creators on YouTube don't actually make money based on how many views their videos get, but how many views the ads on their videos get, which is essentially the same thing unless someone is using an ad blocking plugin. When someone watches a video of yours and avoids the ads by using an ad block, they won't make you any money, at least not directly, but we'll get to that later. If your viewers just see your ads, you'll get paid a little, and you'll make more if someone clicks on one of the ads on your video. However, you have to be careful with this. It's prohibited to tell or encourage your viewers to click on ads on your videos, or doing it yourself. It's important that you don't do neither of those things, as it can result in you getting banned from making any money from your videos. What I should also mention is that Google keeps close to a half of the revenue your video creates, and you keep the rest. 50% may seem like a lot for Google to keep and a little for you to make, but it's not bad at all, as you'll see later. So now you know how YouTubers make money from their videos. At least that's how they make it directly. A lot of content creators on YouTube get sponsorships from companies to show or review their product and publish it on their channel. In that case, they get both the ad revenue as well as whatever the sponsor paid them. But we'll talk about that later.